Hello dear students, how are you? I hope everybody is great today. We continue our unit 6 celebrities, Now we talk about countables and uncountable nouns. I think it's a bit not easy, but we will learn after this lesson. Let's start. Countables and uncountables. Countable nouns. Countable means you count. Count something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting. Countable nouns are nouns which can be counted and can be in the singular or on the plural way. Plural, more than one. Singular, only one. So, look at that. There's only one flower. So, we say a flower. One flower. This is singular. What about plural? We have 3 flowers. This is plural. 3 flowers. Okay, singular and plural. This means this is flower is a countable noun. Countable. And here we put a before the noun in the singular when it begins with a consonant sound. Consonant B, D, P, etc. And began and when it begins with a vowel sound. A, I, O, look at here. And here. An apple. Only one apple, we say an apple. Why we use an? Because this is a vowel sound. A, an apple. When it is more than one plural, we say 2 apples. 2 apples. Okay. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns which cannot be counted and they usually have no plural. We can't say plural way. Let's see. Food. Cheese. Cheeses. No, we can't make it plural. No cheeses. Butters, no. So, we cannot say a or an here. Cheese, butter, meat, salt, pepper, bread, chocolate, honey, jam. They are only uncountable way we can use this. So, we can't say chocolates, no. We will learn how can we use them. Liquids, like coffee, milk, water, tea, lemonade, petrol, oil. We can't say a tea, no. We will try to learn. And materials like gold, iron, silver, wood, paper, they are not plural. And abstract nouns, beauty, love, happiness, they are not countable. And the other uncountable nouns, hair, money. We have lots of hair here. We can't say a hair or hairs, no. Money, we can say dollars, Turkish liras, euros, but we can't say monies, no. News, snow, furniture, weather, they are only singular nouns. Okay. We use some. We can't say a gold or a hair. What can we use? We can use some. We use some with uncountable nouns and not a or an. No a or an. Okay. We also use some with countable nouns, but only in the plural way. So, we can use some in 2 ways. We can use them with uncountable nouns and also countable nouns, but there is a rule only in the plural way. Let's make some example. Cheese. Some cheese. Cheese is uncountable, so we can't say some cheeses. No. Cheese. Not countable. 1 cheese, 2 cheese. No. We have some cheese. Here, bananas. Bananas, plural, So countable, 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas you can use, and some bananas you can use it. For 1 or 2 you can say some bananas. Okay. Some uncountable nouns can be made countable by using the following words in front of them. We can make them plural now. What? How can we make it? Let's see. Here we have marmalade. Marmalade is uncountable. You can't use marmalades. No. You can use a jar of marmalade. A jar of, like here. So, I need 2. So, how can say 2 jars of marmalade? Okay? We can make them plural by jars. 2 jars of marmalade. And here, cake we have. And cakes, can you say cakes? No. But you can use a piece of cake, 2 pieces of cake, 3 pieces of cake, but you can say 3 pieces of cakes. No, you can't use. Just you can add s for pieces, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. And here we have bread. How can we use bread? A loaf of bread. A loaf of 2 loaves of bread, 3 loaves of bread. You can't say 3 breads. No. 2 breads. No. You can say some bread. Okay. A loaf of bread. 2 loaves of bread. Also true. And here we have coffee here. Can you say 2 coffees? No. 3 coffees? No. You can use a cup of coffee. If you need 2, you can say 2 cups of coffee. 2 cups of coffee. Okay, there's a chocolate here. Milky, I think. A bar of chocolate. 2 bars of chocolate. Okay. We have meat here. A kilo of meat. 2 kilos of meat. 2 kilos. 3 kilos. And here we have milk there. A glass of milk. 2 glasses of milk. 5 glasses of milk. And soup. A bowl of soup. 2 bowls of soup. You can make it plural with some expression in front of them. Bowls. 2 bowls. Okay. Here we have a milk. Cartoon of milk. 2 cartoons of milk. 5 cartoons of milk. But no milks. No. Here we have a fruit juice. A can of fruit juice here. A can of. 2 cans of fruit juice you can use. And the lemonade. Do you like lemonade? In summertime it's good. A jug of orange juice, or this is orange juice. Also summertime it's good. 2 jugs of orange juice. And we have a slice of bread. 2 slices of bread, but 2 breads? No. A loaf of bread, remember? The whole one, a loaf of bread. And we have a tin of fish and also a packet of spaghetti here. Now, let's try to find the correct word here. What can use a blah blah of tea? A bottle, can, cup, packet, kilo, jar, or cartoon? I think you know it. A cup of tea, a cup of coffee. If you want 2, how can you say 2 cups of tea? And here we have a lemonade. So a blah blah of lemonade. How can we say a bottle? a bottle of lemonade. And here, Coke, a can of Coke. We say can for this material, a can of Coke. And here, flour. To make cake, you need flour. So, a kilo of flour. If you need 2 kilos of flour, you can't use 2 kilos of flours. No, this is not true. And here we have milk, a cartoon of milk, we can say, a cartoon of milk. And here, jam, we eat jam mostly in the breakfast time. So a jar of jam, 2 jars of jam or 2 jars of honey you can use. And also peas, here a blah blah of peas. So what can we use? A packet of peas, 2 packets of peas you can use. Now let's talk about their price, how much cost of the materials here, or drinks, food. How much is a bottle of lemonade? It is 57 pence. Pence like kuruş in Turkish, pence. How much is a jar of jam? Here, how much? 89 pence. It is 89 pence. And ask for Coke now. How much is a can of Coke? It is 59 pence. Okay, let's talk about milk now. How much is a cartoon of milk? It is 99 pence. And for peas, how can we ask? Packet. Okay. How much is a packet of peas? It is here, what can you say? 89 pence. Okay. Now, can you buy me part here? Can you buy me 3 packets of peas? Now we will see picture and try to ask the question. Can you buy me 3 packets of peas? Look at that. We have 3 packets, so 3 packets. How can you make question? Can you buy me only 1, what can we say? Can of Coke. So can you buy me a can of Coke? 1 can of Coke. It's true. Here we have 6 cartoons here. So ask question. Can you buy me 6 cartons of milk? Very good. And can you buy me? We have not 1, 2. So bottle. What can we say? Can you buy me 2 bottles of lemonade? 2 bottles of lemonade. And here we have jar of jam. So can you buy me 3 jars of jam? We make plural this one. We can't make them plural. Why? This is uncountable nouns. And we have lime there. And kilo, we talk about kilos, 5 kilos. Can you buy me 5 kilos of lime? And I would like what? How can we say this in a cafe? Think that you sit at a table in the cafe, at a cafe, and you say, I would like a cup of tea. I would like a bowl of soup. I would like a a glass of water. If it is two, how can you say? 2 glasses of water. I would like a slice of cake. A slice of, a piece of, a slice of. 2 slices of cake. A bottle. I would like a bottle of lemonade. Some and any. We learned some. What is any? Any used for some in negative and question forms, okay? Like some we use in active and, let's say, positive sentence, but in any we can say negative and question forms. I have got some strawberries, but I haven't got any grapes. No grapes. Any grapes. In negative sentence, I used any. And here we have coconut and pineapples. Which one cross? Here we don't have coconut and pineapple. Make sentence. I have got. I have got some pineapples. I haven't got any coconuts. Look at that. We have S here. Why? Because these are countable nouns. 1 pineapple, 2 pineapples, 3 pineapples. Not like cheese. Cheese, 1 cheese, 2 cheeses. No, we can't say. But for this type of fruits, you can use plural way. And cherry and pear, we have cross for cherry. And let's make sentence. I've got some pears, but I haven't got any cherries. Okay. Pepper and salt. They are uncountable. Remember, peppers, salts, no. Because they're very tiny, lots of salt. We can't count 1 salt, 2 salt, no. Or 1 pepper, 2 pepper, no. They are uncountable, so we can't use S. Let's make sentence. I have got some salt, but I haven't got any pepper. And the yogurt, we don't have yogurt, but we have jam there. How can we use with some and any? I've got some jam, but I haven't got any yogurt. This is the end of our class for today. Thank you for watching. See you on next class. Goodbye.